The midpoint theorem is a fundamental theorem in geometry that deals with the properties of triangles. The midpoint theorem has many applications in geometry, calculus, and algebra. It can be used in coordinate geometry to find the midpoint of a line segment. It is also used in proofs of congruence of triangles. The line segment in a triangle joining the midpoint of any two sides of the triangle is said to be parallel to its third side and is also half of the length of the third side. That is called midpoint theorem. If a line segment joining two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, then it bisects the third side. The equal intercept theorem. If a transversal makes equal intercepts on three or more parallel lines, then the intercept made by any other line on these lines will also be equal. If L parallel to M parallel to N and AB equals BC, then PQ equals QR. The equal intercept theorem is applicable only in the case of parallel lines. It is used in understanding the concept of the midpoint theorem.